Hi, friends. Mind versus heart. Such a complicated question for ourselves. Should I be listening to my mind? Should I be listening to my heart? If I listen to my mind, will people call me too logical, person without a heart? If I think or listen to my heart, will people say she's too emotional, she can't get through things? If we do not get this right, if we do not understand which one is right for me or right for you, probably there will always be those situations where we are debating among ourselves where we have to take action. I'm Sunita, a working mother, using this platform to share my learnings. I've also been through this debate, and even now, as days go on, and depending on the task or the thing that I'm thinking about, I still debate about this. Overall, I think there are certain steps that I follow which I wanted to share. So I'm more of a task oriented person compared to a people oriented person. So anytime, any opportunity, anything that comes up which is people related, I go through that mental debate again. Do you really want to pick this up? Is this the right one for you? Will you be really be able to do it? A lot more questions that I go through. But when my heart says, go for it, Sunita, it's rooting for you to pick up those things, do it, while your mind gives you a logical reason why you're not supposed to do it or why you are supposed to do it. But your heart is the opposite way. Uh, so what I try to do is, once I've known a situation or thinking about a topic, I try to listen to my heart first. Once it does, later on I listen to the mind to see what is it talking about, what is it saying. So not ignoring both of them, but listening to both. But ultimately, I think when I end up taking action, I listen to my heart and take that step. It makes more sense. You feel more at peace. After a certain point, even your mind starts to give you logical reasons of why it was right to follow the heart. So I think the mind is more dependent on, or it takes its step once you have made a decision. It tries to give you logical reasons of to why whatever you are going to do is right or wrong, and based on its success or failure, then you'll always feel, you didn't listen to me, here's why it went wrong, I already told you. So something like that, which is a self talk that you hear. Either ways, you listen to your heart or mind, that debate will always be there. That once it passes, it's easy to say, okay, here's why it made a success. Or if you fail, there's a logical reason, or you come up with your own thought process to say, here's why it failed. So that will always be there. But I feel if you listen to your heart when you're doing that particular task, you're more dedicated to it, you're more authentic to it, you feel the attachment towards it. After all, anything that you do in your life is about emotions, is about how you feel about it. Because if you're going so mechanical about it, there's no difference between you and a robot, or somebody who's just executing those tasks. You don't feel the life into it. But when you listen to your heart and then you're following it through, even if it there's that extra step that you will do, there's that extra life that gets added. People can see it. It's more authentic, it's more something that, it's like that unconscious thing that you add to it, which makes a lot more easy for you to get through. Even if you fail, it brings a lot more learning to you, because you tried in every which way. It's not just the mechanical following of the logical tasks, but emotionally also you've been through it so much that you always take that extra step, you always take that extra mile, to see what else can I do it differently, how will Sunita do it differently compared to somebody else. So that's my take on it, that follow your heart, and then listen to your mind to know where are those steps that you should be careful about, because it will tell you reasons why you are not supposed to follow your heart, right? So that's your caution, to make sure, okay, here's the logical sense which my mind is saying that I'm not supposed to do this for so and so reason. So what can I do to not fall into this reason, or what should I do to take care of these reasons? So that's how I follow it. Hope this learning helped y'all. Let me know if this has been helpful, and what do you do in situations. Do you follow differently, or it's dependent on your tasks, or you're so like known that no, I follow logic, whatever it is. Or you're like, no, I follow heart, whatever it is. What's your style of executing things? Just let me know in the comments below. Thank you, everyone. Good day.